Hey guys, Jared here, and I have another van build for you. This is a Chevy Express 1500. I'm super stoked to show this to you guys because this is actually a contractor edition, meaning the panels open up on the side. When I saw this thing, I absolutely had to get it. But let's start off and just kind of showing you the window panels that I put up on the side. There's actually no windows here, but I still decided to put some Route 66 material up just to kind of give it a cool vibe to the vehicle. I'm a big fan of Route 66, so I decided to put it up again. I've done it in the past, and I decided to do it again, and I just think it turned out really cool. So as I mentioned, this is a contractor edition, so that means these panels open up, and let me show it to you here. Boom, super rad. And let's show you the other side as well. And this is just the coolest thing in the world. I've never seen this before, so when I saw it, I picked up this van, even though I knew it was gonna be a big challenge. So for the bed, it's actually really large. The length is 80 inches, really long, so if you're 6 foot, whatever, you could definitely sleep in this bed. It sleeps two. I'll put the full dimensions in the description. So for the actual height of the bed, or for the mattress size, this is 6 inches. Usually I do 4 inches, but in this van, since it's a little bigger, there's like a lot of cushion here, super comfortable, and this is vinyl, so it's gonna last for a really long time. I really want to utilize the storage of the bed, so there's 2 large drawers in here that come out, super big. And this one comes out all the way as well. Bed pops out. That. Easier when you're actually on the outside. And the backrest goes right here. So, really nice and comfy. I can just imagine myself in here with these panels being open and just enjoying like the beach, the water, and I just think it's so rad that these panels open. You can just be in bed and relax. But super long. So for the cabinet here, super long space here. Now for this cabinet, it starts off with the electrical box here, and you have all your outlets for AC, DC electricity. It shows you how much battery you have left. So for the first time in one of my builds, I decided to put a lithium battery in. I usually don't because they're super expensive, but I just think that a van this size should have a nice 100 amp hour lithium battery. Of course, it has the inverter, microwave, and it's got a toilet right here. And what I recommend with the toilet is, when you're ready to go to sleep, you put it on the side here. That way it's easier to access. You have extra storage space right here as well. And coming this way, we have the refrigerator. This pops open like that. And then the fridge is here. Let me get a close up. So it's a good size. This is the first time that I didn't go with the pull-out fridge because the barbecue would be blocking the pull-out. So on this side, we have the sink. This is actually a pull-out shower as well. And it's a good size. We have the 6-gallon freshwater 4-gallon waste tank. And overall there's 12 gallons of fresh water because there's that extra 6-gallon water tank that you saw before. We have the heater right here. And this was actually interesting. I was debating on going with this heater, the all-in-one, or the one that's a lot of different components. I decided to go with the all-in-one because it's easier for whoever buys this van to use. And it comes with a remote as well. And I want you to check this out really quick. Look how much seating is in here. There could be 2 people right here, another 3 to 4 people on this side. And we also have the passenger swivel as well that I installed. So this van is super spacious for a good amount of people. Alright, so the next thing is the TV. The TV was really interesting in this build because usually in my builds, I put them on the side of the van. But as you know, all the panels pop out, so there was no sides of the van I could put a TV. So the way I did it was kind of interesting. So I installed the mount right here, and the TV, I made a custom mount to go on the TV super quick. And this TV is not going anywhere. I made this mount where you could literally put it on the mount on the ceiling in less than 10 seconds. And it swivels this way, and it swivels so you can watch while you're in bed as well. And the coolest thing is when you decide to barbecue, you can watch TV as you're barbecuing. Slide this out, put the barbecue on here, and you're good to go. This is a really large storage unit, and this is the reason why I couldn't do the pull-out fridge like I normally do. I actually like the way the fridge, how it pulls out, but that's the reason why I didn't need the slide-out fridge, is because this whole unit is blocking the fridge. But this is super cool because now you can barbecue on the outside and watch TV. As I mentioned before, there is a pull-out shower that's also the faucet. This pulls out, clips in, and you're ready to take a shower.